All right, today we are going to do a science experiment using soda or pop, as I like to call it, and some raisins. And we have an empty glass. This is an easy project to do at home. You take the pop, and the pop has carbonation or fizzies. So you could use anything that has carbonation or fizzies. Look at that go. Look at all the fizzies and the bubbles. And now we're gonna take and we're gonna drop the raisins into the pop. And we're gonna see what happens. And I want you to tell me or think about it at home, tell your parents, why does this happen? What do you think is going to happen? What's your hypothesis? Dropping raisins in. Whoops, this one doesn't want to go in. What do you think's going to happen? Oh boy. Look at that. Now that we have raisins, take a look and see. What do you think's going to happen? What's happening? Are they floating to the surface? What's surrounding them? What's covering them as they rise? Look at that go. How cool is that? Look at that. So what's happening is fizzy drinks are crammed with lots of tiny, tiny bubbles of gas called carbon dioxide. What else has carbon dioxide? I'll give you a hint. When you take a breath and you exhale air, that's carbon dioxide. So the little bubbles are lighter than the liquid, and so they float to the surface. When you drop raisins into the soda or the pop, lots of bubbles stick to the raisins, and that's what carries them to the surface. When some of the bubbles burst, the raisins sink down again and start to collect more bubbles before bubbling up again. Isn't that neat? Let's see if I can get closer. Watch them go. Look at all those bubbles. Have fun doing this at home.